have me, and I have you. That's enough to paint lonesome black and blue. Yeah, I have you, and you have me. That puts a bow up in the sky that tells the rain.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Denise and Marcel here.
Good morning, everyone.
You guys, we have been super busy working on this house build.
Plumbing.
Yeah, we're in the plumbing portion.
And digging. Let's go up this way. You can see it a little bit better from above.
So over the last couple of days, Marcel and I dug out most of the plumbing, and then the following day after that, Gage and Marcel actually were able to start putting it together.
Yeah. We still had a lot more to dig out, but that's an experience on my part. We learned.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to dig more out and then cut the pipe and fit the pipe and mark the pipe and take it apart and put it back together with glue.
Yeah.
And we got most of it done.
But it's looking good, and you got your slope.
Got my slope. Everything's good so far.
Yep.
So far.
What do we have left?
We got all the downstairs plumbing to do. It's just one pipe with a sink, a toilet, a tub, a washing machine, a floor drain, and a vent.
Okay.
So it comes off of that one pipe that we're not finished working on.
So I'll flip you around and show you really quick. It would be this pipe. We'll be branching off of that to come into these two rooms. One for the washer and one for the bathroom.
Yeah, there's more like 4 of them there, but that's okay.
Well, all the facilities for those rooms, so. Yeah. But we're getting closer, and tomorrow will be the big day.
Hopefully. If we get everything done and he and our concreter can get 2 trucks scheduled, then we can pour tomorrow. If not, then we can't pour till next week because we have prior engagements.
Right. So this weekend, we are going to visit our friends, Melanie and Gary, over at Simple Life Reclaimed. If you guys don't know about them, I'll drop a link in the description below, above, somewhere in there. We met them over at Jeff's last year when we went to his birthday bash to help him out. If you guys don't know, it's Jeff at Groovy Eggs Farm. I'll drop that link in the description below. But yeah, we're going to go over there. They invited us when we went to see them on the 4th of July to come back to their property and help them with their well house.
Yeah, give us some hands-on experience with laying block.
Yeah,
They're going to share their experience and their knowledge with us, which is super freaking awesome.
Heck yeah.
And we get to hang out with some cool people, man.
Yeah, we're excited. So.
Yeah, and then the next day we get to go hang out with a whole bunch more cool people.
Yes, then we get to see the whole fam. So we're going to go welcome Drew back from his trip. And we get to go over there and see our buddy Mike and Jeff and
all kinds of people are going to be there. A whole bunch of YouTubers.
All of our friends that we miss from over there.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to go get to see all of our friends and enjoy some time with them. And
yeah, welcome Drew back.
Yeah, welcome
from Drew's
Drew
Lens.
back. Drew's Lens.
Yeah.
So I'll drop that in the description below or above so you guys can see.
I think the description is below. I think you put your links at top and the description is below. I just remember people saying it, man. I'm just saying.
All right. So we're going to be welcoming back Drew from Drew's Lens. I'll drop that in the description below. The link somewhere. The link in the description below.
There you go. So I'll do something. All right. I'm going to have to get back to work. Otherwise, we're not going to get any plumbing done today.
Okay. So Marcel's going to get back to work. I got some things to do around the homestead. And I'm going to get this video out to you guys since we will be gone this weekend. I'm not sure if I'll get that concrete video out, but I certainly will try. We'll be leaving early Friday morning. So if I don't get it out to you guys, it'll be out Monday morning.
Yeah, maybe. It'll be out when we get back.
It'll be out when we get back.
Yeah.
Let's jump to it.
much is true. There ain't a single direction that don't point to you. They all point to you.
Good morning, everyone. Well, it is a chilly morning. We had to break out the winter jackets. How you feeling this morning, baby?
Cold.
Cold?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to tell everybody what we're about to do this morning?
We're about to try to do some plumbing.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Because we're trying to get this ready for a pour tomorrow. And I don't know if we can do that, but the guy thought we could, so sometimes others believe in you more than you believe in yourself.
Right. We tend to procrastinate sometimes or take our time when it comes to things that we don't know about.
Right.
So
I don't want to just
baby
rush through
steps,
something.
Yeah.
Because if you don't understand, you do it wrong.
Mm-hmm.
And if we do it wrong, we gotta
Undo it.
Yeah, we have to undo it, and that takes the jackhammer, which we have one, thankfully.
So we are going to start on our plumbing this morning. Yay! We got everything pulled out. Getting everything set up so we can figure out where things go, our measurements and all.
How awesome is that? There.
Yeah, that's a nice table cover.
Fort Collins, Colorado. I couldn't afford the motorcycle, so I bought a jacket.
I've always loved that jacket.
Yeah. This was a friend's jacket, and I had a jacket that was much too big for me. And this one was much too small for him, so we traded. It worked out good.
Nice.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright.
So we have laid out all of our string lines. Each of these strings represents something. So from over here to this orange string is our bedroom, which is on the top floor. Well, yeah, top floor. And then from this orange string to this orange string is the bathroom. And from there over is the kitchen. In the basement, that's a 10-foot room. A 10-foot room, which will be the bathroom. And the next room over, 10-foot room, will be the laundry room. And on each end, those rooms are empty. We kind of think that we might end up putting the stairs over here. So we kind of kept it open to change if we wanted to. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it, though. So we're still debating. But it's looking good. Ready to get started. We're excited this morning. Cold. It's gorgeous, though.
Yeah, I don't mind it.
Yeah.
I would rather not be doing this right now. That would be all right, too.
Well, we are super busy, so we definitely have to jump on. We're on a tight schedule right now, which feels good and kind of scary at the same time.
Yeah. Well, we're trying to be able to pour this on tomorrow.
Yeah.
So
I think
I have to get the plumbing done. I have to go get another load of gravel, and I have to go pick up rebar and the wire and plastic, and yeah, it's gonna be tight. So the first thing we're gonna do is start right here on this yellow string, this single string. This is our main line, and we'll dig all this gravel out to, we'll just keep, it'll gradually get deeper and deeper. What we'll do is we'll throw the level in there as we go, our new level, and just see if it's approximately a quarter inch pitch. We'll go about 2 inches too deep. That gives us a little bit of play, and we'll just dig it out with the hoe. I know where the hoe's at, and the shovels, because it's going to be loose gravel, and most of it is going to be just gravel. Actually, pretty much all of it's going to be just gravel. Does that make sense? Because I already dug all this out with the hoe. We'll have a little bit of digging over here in the actual dirt, but not very much, because we get into the gravel real quick. Cool?
Cool. Sounds like a plan.
Then we start on this end. We come this way. And we pull our first one. 4 inches past, so we want it to stick out 4 inches. And it comes over here, and we have our first flange. Right? I think we've decided we are going to do a little closet-sized stub wall right here, yeah? To run our water line up so we can get it over this way a little bit further. And then we can turn this into a closet. If we're putting the stairs here, that would be perfectly fine then. It's not a 10-foot wasted space, because I'm gonna approximate 4 foot of stairs, even though it's really like 3 foot, but we'll say 4 foot with the framing and all that. So that's all cupboards too. And that'll be like we have 6 feet left to play with, or 5 feet left to play with. So as long as we end up with a 3-foot hallway, it should be cool. Right? That's a lot of rambling on for a guy who should be digging gravel.
What's up, my love?
We do have a busy week, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Well, we got concrete, and we got
we talked about it two videos. We talked about it 2 videos ago about the difference between help.
Yeah.
Information help is awesome, but hands-on help
is better.
Is better for us, because like you really can't replace that. You can't replace either of them, but like hands-on is way easier for us to learn. So we're gonna get that opportunity.
Hey everyone, I just thought I'd stop and chat with you guys for a few minutes. We've already gotten a little bit dug up. The trunk line's all the way dug up and level, and we got all the pieces that go into the bathroom, laundry room, bathroom for the upstairs and the kitchen upstairs. So we got to work on those things. We do got the kitchen dug out so far, but it's been a long day. We've gotten a load of gravel picked up in case we can get this done, because we are hoping to get our slab poured tomorrow. However, it's getting late in the day, so I'm gonna let you go and get back to work. Wow, you guys, look at that. Wow, they really worked hard today. Marcel and I kicked butt yesterday. It just wasn't enough, but looks like we're there. Almost there.
Almost there. We got a few more pipes to do from this one, because this is all of our downstairs plumbing on this line, but all the upstairs for the concrete is done.
Nice.
We just got a sink and a washing machine and a floor drain and a bathtub and a vent right here down this line, and we're all finito. So our concreter couldn't get a truck tomorrow anyways.
Oh, well, that's perfect.
Yeah, so since he couldn't get a truck, I told him thank you. I said I'm going to try my best to get done by Thursday. So he said he'll probably be out here tomorrow to see where we're at.
So that's another blessing, because we just didn't make the deadline, and
yeah,
they're super busy. So
yeah, and we're just like really trying. I've never done this, so I can't. Like, we rushed this end, but it's just gluing, right? Everything else is good as long as we got our pitches, and we're coming through, I hope. And we're coming through. Even if I made a little bit of a mistake, I think we can fix it in a wall or something like that. So
I think you got it, baby.
I think I did too.
I do. All right, everyone. Well, we had quite a day. We worked really hard and we kicked butt. But if you guys are enjoying our content, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. Ring that notification bell.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.